By using the best crypto trading bots, you can enjoy passive income through automated crypto trading without ever looking at a chart. These trading bots use algorithmic trading techniques to automate the buying and selling of cryptocurrencies. By setting your desired trading strategy and starting with a little bit of money, your trading bot can grow your crypto income whether the market goes up, down, or sideways. Still, keep in mind that you'll need a little bit of trading knowledge yourself to get the most out of these tools. At the end of the day, trading bots will simply allow you to automate your trading strategy, but they might not be able to develop a strategy for you. If you're ready to get started, here are some of the best crypto trading bots for beginners. Pionex. Pionex is a full-fledged crypto exchange with built-in crypto trading bots. At the moment, there are 16 free crypto bots on the platform. Pionex aggregates the liquidity from Binance.com and Huobi, and then offers a free trading bot to make your trades even easier. It's easy to use, safe, and has been granted various licenses from both the US and Singapore. Cryptohopper. This bot has a tremendous amount of versatility. It works with over 100 tokens on 15 different exchanges and has hundreds of thousands of users. There are a number of different monthly plans ranging from free to $99 a month, so users of any skill level can find the appropriate plan for them. They also offer numerous educational resources, signals, and templates to help you get started. More experienced traders can design their own strategies and test them out. This service's user-friendly UI and extensive toolbox make it one of the best all-around options available. GunBot. Now, GunBot isn't for everyone, as it can be more difficult for beginners to use, and it's more suited for experienced traders and coders. If you can get past the steep learning curve, however, it's extremely powerful. As opposed to other bots, which are typically offered up on a monthly subscription basis, GunBot is a one-time software purchase, which we might add is pretty expensive, ranging from $100 to $800. GunBot is geared towards traders who are comfortable coding their own scripts, which makes it one of the most flexible tools for people in that community. Fortunately, if you don't end up liking the software, you can resell the license to someone else to get your money back. CryptoHero. This is the perfect bot for beginner traders. It's affordable and implements a simple and easy-to-use UI. It's optimized for artificial intelligence and currently works with 13 exchanges like Binance, Coinbase Pro, Kraken, and more. Plus, they even offer a free version of the service with limited functionality if you just want to see how it works before paying for it. Ichibot. Ichibot is less of a traditional crypto bot and more of a tool. It runs entirely through the command line interface and doesn't make any trading decisions on its own. It's more of an instrument to assist you in implementing your own trade strategies and is geared towards those that prefer executing lines of code over mouse clicks. With it, you can design your own strategies for FTX and Binance and then execute them in real time while taking advantage of fluctuations in the market. Stoic. Stoic is a long-term bot that works a lot like a hedge fund. Once linked to your Binance account, Stoic allows you to establish a portfolio with one or more altcoins on Binance, as long as they have a trading volume of at least $10 million. Then, it will rebalance your portfolio automatically based on forecasts derived from a network of almost 200,000 financial professionals. So instead of actively trading the markets, Stoic automatically keeps your portfolio allocated to assets of your choosing. If you have a preferred crypto trading bot, share it with us in a comment below. And for another passive crypto income idea, check out this video on starting up a Bitcoin ATM business. We'll see you in the next video.